To open your Mbank Zero Balance account, simply start by downloading the Mbank app. We are going to open this Zero Balance account in just 4 easy steps, and keep in mind, this is the perfect account for you even if your salary is just 1,000 dirhams. So, once you have downloaded the Mbank app, open it and tap on this button that says Open an Account. As you can see on the screen, guys, you don't need any documents to open this Zero Balance account. All you need is your UAE Pass. So tap on Sign Up using UAE Pass. Go ahead, tap on Start. Allow your Mbank app to open the UAE Pass. This means you don't have to physically scan your Emirates ID or your visa copy. Simply allow your UAE Pass to share these documents with the Mbank app. Give your consent and confirm this action. You will automatically be redirected back to the Mbank app. And again, your Emirates ID details and information will be revealed. Tap on Continue, and that brings us to step number 2, which is verifying our identity. But before we even confirm our identity, keep in mind that this account is completely a zero balance account, but has some hidden fees that I want to share with you guys. So, if you want to know how to completely avoid these hidden fees, I'll share the tips at the end of this video. Go ahead, tap on Continue in order for you to verify your identity by taking a selfie. That is it, guys. Selfie looks good. Tap on Yeah, looks good, and then move on to the next step, which is entering our personal information. Select your country of birth, since which year you're living in UAE, and your marital status. Also enter your monthly expenses and choose whether you want your mobile number to be used as your customer ID, which I would recommend. So tap on Yes, and again tap on the Continue button. Answer the tax declaration question and continue to entering your employment status information. It's very easy, guys. Start by entering your employment status, your job description, and then enter your monthly salary. As I told you earlier, you can open this account even if your salary is just 1,000 dirhams. That's why I'm going to enter 1,000 here and then tap on the Continue button. Lastly, you should enter your residence details and then select if you have any other sources of income. And you are done. That brings us to the last step, which is step number 4, selecting our account type. As you can see on the screen, we have the savings account, smart account, kids account, and the deposit account. Which of these accounts is completely a zero balance account and has no hidden fees? Talking about Mbank account hidden fees. Fee number 1, you'll be charged for the Mbank physical debit card, 26 dirhams point 25 fils. There is also account non-utilization fees. This is a fee you have to pay in case you don't use your Mbank account for a period of 3 months. There is also early account closure fees, which is 105 dirhams. So to avoid all these fees altogether, you can stick to using a virtual debit card rather than applying for a physical Mbank debit card. Secondly, keep your account active. Make one transaction at least every 3 months, okay? Otherwise, keep 500 as a balance in your account. This fee can be waived. Lastly, avoid closing your Mbank account in the first 6 months of opening your account. So, let's wrap up everything by selecting our Mbank account type. We have the savings and the smart account, which are basically the same and offer the same features. Any of these two you choose to go with is completely a zero balance and is free for life, okay? Don't expect to pay any fees for maintaining a minimum balance, and it has no minimum sale requirement. Again, once you select your account type, select the gold membership. Here is where you have to pay attention, guys. Avoid the platinum and the diamond membership. Go with the gold membership, submit your application, wait 2 to 5 business working days. Your application will be reviewed and your bank account will be opened. And if you think this account is not the perfect fit for you, then Sharjah Islamic Bank might be the solution. The video will guide you is up next on the screen.